Do you want to create and edit your own avatar on Facebook and use it as custom sticker or emojis? So for that, let's launch the Facebook app. Tap on these three lines. From menu, you will find the avatar option. Now, if not, just scroll down and hit see more. Now, if you haven't created any avatar yet, you will end up in here where an auto-generated avatar with different versions will show up depending on your profile picture or gender information that you have shared. You can either go with that or create your own. Or you can take a selfie or go with manually. Now here, I'm not going to go into details because depending your gender, you will get different types of thousands of options starting from skin tone to face shape. You'll get categories and subcategories to set your avatar, including hair, makeup, your face, body, your clothing style, etc. You can also visit Avatar Store and get more clothing options totally free. Now, when you're done, you can either re-edit it or just go and publish it. And also, you can tap on these three dots and then switch to your auto-generated avatars if you find them better, and even delete your custom-made avatar if you don't like it and you want to start from scratch. Now, if you have already created an avatar and just want to edit it because you have changed or added any feature to your face or body, you can just come back in this avatar settings from menu, and now you will get an edit option. So just tap on any of these edit options or pen icon, and then you will end up in these same sets of customizing options. From there, you can edit your avatar according to your own preference like before. And after saving it, that avatar will show up everywhere. You can just send them as emoji or stickers. That's all for today. Thanks for your time.